Welcome to Sim Code. Greetings, everyone. Thanks for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Polymorphism is one of the core concepts of object-oriented programming, OOP, in Python. It allows different objects to respond to the same method or function in a way that is specific to their own types. The word polymorphism comes from Greek, meaning many shapes. This reflects how polymorphism enables different classes or objects to share the same method name, but behave differently depending on their type or class. Key points of polymorphism: same method, different behavior. Polymorphism allows a single method to work differently depending on the object that calls it. For example, the same method can be used by different classes, but each class can provide its own implementation of the method. Method overriding. In polymorphism, a subclass can provide its own version of a method that is already defined in its parent class. This is known as method overriding. The overridden method in the child class is called when an object of that class is used. Duck typing. Python is dynamically typed, and this means that polymorphism is not strictly tied to the class hierarchy. It follows the principle of duck typing, where you don't need to check the exact type of an object, as long as the object implements the required behavior, methods, or attributes. If an object can quack, like a duck example, implement the required methods, it will be treated as a duck, even if it's not a subclass of the duck. Define a base class called animal. This is the base class for all animals. The speak method is intended to be overridden by child classes, like dog and cat. This is a general, placeholder implementation for the speak method. It prints a generic message for any animal. Define a dog class that inherits from animal. The dog class overrides the speak method from the animal class. This is the dog-specific version of the speak method. It will print the sound that a dog makes, the dog barks. Define a cat class that also inherits from animal. The cat class overrides the speak method from the animal class. This is the cat-specific version of the speak method. It will print the sound that a cat makes, the cat meows. Define a function that uses polymorphism. This function demonstrates polymorphism. It accepts any object, animal, that has a speak method. The function will call the speak method on the passed object, but the actual method that gets called depends on the type of the object, whether it's a dog or cat or any other subclass of animal. Now create objects of dog and cat. Create an instance object of the dog class. Call the function with both objects. This will call the speak method of dog class, which prints the dog barks. This will call the speak method of cat class, which prints the cat meows. Now run our code. I hope you had fun. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.